You know how some Dodges you can turn the key and then you turn it all the way back and it's on accessory now on the Dodges? And then you can pull the key out. We may or may not have done that and killed the battery. We just got sent the GooLoo jump pack. So let's test it out, seeing as we got a dead battery. Well, dead enough that it won't start. It comes with a sweet carrying case right here. Boom. There's your jump pack. Charger. Jumper cables. We got a sweet flashlight on here. Then you can charge your phone and other stuff. Then you charge the jump pack here. Jumper cables go in through here. Only fit in one way, you can't mess it up. Power on. Red to red, black to black. There we go. Green light comes on, which means she's ready to go. Ooh, there's a button that says boost. Ooh, I just clicked the boost button. Let's see how that works. Started right up. It works like it should. All right. Anything else you want to add? I think that'll do it, guys. GooLoo jump pack. Link in the comments or description.